In front of me is HUAWEI Mate X6, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app and tapping on this red button at the bottom to start. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use this right button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one, and to end it and save it, on the middle one. Now to play it, click on it, and to manage it, use all of those options. You can also go back and hold it to use all of those, like rename or delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!